Good morning, student. Today our topic of discussion is water resources. Water is the most valuable resource in our earth, and no life we imagine without it. India has mainly three sources of water. One was rainfall. India has three sources of water. Okay, first one is rainfall. Second one is surface water. Now surface water means fresh water that we found in pond, river, lake, etc. Then next, groundwater. Okay, these are the three sources for water in our India. Now we talk about different uses of water in our India especially. So here we write use of water. First one we can say in domestic purpose. Second one we can say irrigation purpose. Third one we can say fisheries. Fourth one we can say navigation. So these are the some uses of water. Now I am giving you one picture that shows first one is utilization of surface water. Utilization of surface water. If I draw a circle, then we found about 9% of water used in domestic purpose. Domestic purpose. We talk about actually surface water, utilization of surface water. So about 9% of water used in domestic purpose. Then next we found two percentage used in industries. Okay. Next is 89% used in agricultural purpose. Okay, so this picture shows utilization of surface water. Next, if I draw another circle, this circle shows utilization of groundwater. Utilization of groundwater. So first we talk about domestic purpose, where 3% used in domestic purpose. then 5% use in industrial purpose, and 92% use in agricultural purpose. Okay, so these are the simple picture which show, first one show utilization of surface water and second one show utilization of ground water. So now next we talk about importance of irrigation in our India. So our next topic is importance of irrigation in our India. So here I am write importance of irrigation. First one is uncertainty of rainfall. Now, under the point of uncertainty of rainfall, we found that monsoon season, that means monsoon rain, always not come in a due time. It always delayed a lot. Then next we talk about rainfall. Next point, rainfall actually restricted to a few months only. Restricted to a few months only. That means few months means what? From July to September we found rainfall. But for dry season irrigation process or irrigation is a very important for dry season. That's why importance of irrigation in India is very much important or very much concerning subject. Next we talk about next point, that is uncertainty of rainfall restricted to a few months only. Then next we talk about increase in population. Increase in population. Now what is the relationship of irrigation with increase in population? India has mainly large and growing population. For this growing population, country will have to produce more food, and for that reason expanding of irrigation is an important and concerning matter. So these are the 3 points, mainly 3 points that I discuss here. Now actually I am giving you one picture that shows different means of irrigation. Use of different means of irrigation. Okay, so here I am draw a one circle where it shows that about 62% use in tube well. The next is 24% use in canals. Okay, next 3% use in tanks, and remaining 11% are used in other sources. So these pictures simply show the different use of different means of irrigation. So lastly, thank you.